Today I will show you how to declare DAGs in different forms. The first way is using the DAG class. First you declare a variable DAG. You can put any name here. Then DAG class. Now, inside the DAG class you need to define DAG ID, then the start date, and the schedule interval. When you declare the schedule interval to none, it means that you can run the DAG only when you do it manually. The pendulum this is the same as date, but is library that improve and make a lot easier to manage and handle the dates and different function. When you declare the DAGs with DAG class, you later will need to assign this DAG to each task. For example, you declare the task and then inside the task you need to put DAG equal to this name. The other way to declare DAG is using DAG decorator. You need to define a function, and the function name will be the DAG name. Inside this function you need to declare the task. Inside the decorator you declare the basic stuff like start date, schedule, etc. This is the new way to declare DAGs, and it's best practice to use this way. Then other way to declare DAG is using the DAG context. You need to use keyword with, in this case you need to also declare the DAG ID. In the previous way you don't need it because the name of the function will be DAG ID. And inside this DAG context, now you can define your tasks. When you use the DAG decorator, you always need to call then this DAG function. If not, it will not work. Like this. Now I will show you how to declare task for each way. So for example, when you use the DAG class, you need to declare the task outside of the DAG class. You need always to declare the task ID, and you need to assign, like I told you before, this name to this task. This name can be any name. So for example, if you put here like something like this, it will work. Then for this one, you need to declare task inside the DAG function. You can use also the task decorator and then define the function for this task. When you declare this function, it's the same as Python operator. The next way is using the DAG context. You need to declare the task inside the DAG context. You need to define the Python what code you want to run. Here we need to use a function. We can use a lambda like this, or we can define a function and put the function here. To, to set the order of the task, you just do it like this. Now, in case if you are using the DAG decorator, you need to use functions like this. I mean, you see the parentheses here, we need to put them because we are using this style, because in the previous you don't put the parentheses. In the first way of declaring the DAG, using DAG class, you don't need to put the parentheses. So now we have the DAG, to task, and then we set the order for each task. So the first way, it's called the DAG class. The second way is task flow API, and the third way is DAG context. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you a lot. Bye.